Hey, welcome to this episode within the data science industry, getting you educated, motivated, and deregulated for whatever comes your way in the future. And today we're talking about R programming in data science. There's a lot of questions floating around asking about the R programming language. So we're going to break down quickly today 3 specific points. What is R? What is R used for in data science? And should I learn R programming? R programming first made its introduction to the scene in 1993 by Ross Ihika and Robert Gentleman. These two introduced the R programming language in order to work with statistical computing. The original source code for R programming was written in the C language. Number 2, what is R used for? R does a lot of heavy lifting within the data science industry. If you want to extract a large set of data in a unique way within something that is not in your normal repertoire of how you're extracting and analyzing data, you're going to use the R programming language. To give an example, R would allow you to do statistical analysis on text documents in order to scrub through the data in order to find the amount of fallen men from each nation in World War II. R allows you to deconstruct the document into names, dates, and categories. And so when you start in R analysis, you may not know where it will exactly take you in the data that you will receive. But it is easy to explore and discover new insights using the R programming language. To compare this, let's look at Python. Python is made for data manipulation, squeezing data into charts and graphics for presentations, and working on repeated tasks, running a monthly log of product purchases and logging where the products were purchased and what demographic bought each product. So you see, Python is used for regular, everyday data extraction. Number 3, should I learn R? So that's really the question and the reason you came to this video. The R programming language is extremely powerful, and as you see in the examples listed above, you can dig into some data and get some very valuable insights. But I would say that this is not the language that you want to start with, and this is not all-encompassing the data industry. If you grab a hold of R programming, you're not going to have the knowledge that you need to be a highly qualified data analyst. You need skills in mathematics, specifically statistics, Microsoft Excel for creating charts and graphs and understanding how data works and the statistical analysis of it. And you also need to understand SQL, which is how you're going to be querying data from a database. So having those strong foundational concepts is extremely important. And the best way to get those foundations is from Edureka. They're highly qualified to teach you the data analytics foundations in order to start your career. Don't skimp out on the basics. The basics are extremely important. R is an incredibly powerful language, and I admire your courage and curiosity to want to learn it. But first and foremost, get the foundations down. And then dive into R so you can maximize your abilities within the data science industry. Thanks for tuning in today on an episode of Data Science. Hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you here on the next episode.